Here is a Honda Pilot. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle, right on top of the Honda emblem, we have to put one finger right over there and then push it right. That's where the secondary release lever is. Right, so push it right, and while it's pushed right, lift up the hood. This is how the secondary release lever works. This hood requires a prop rod, so grab the rod from there, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and let it go, and now it's secure. Once the hood is open, that right there is where the engine air filter is. We need to undo 3 clips to access it. First one over here, just grab the clip and pull it back. The second one over there, and for the third one you have to look at the back there. Yep, that's it. That's the third clip. Just grab it and pull it back as well, and now you should be able to lift up the cover. But to lift it up completely, we need to get it out of the 2 slots in the back, one over here and the second one over there. So slide the cover, left right, wiggle it a little bit, and it'll come off. And once it comes off from those 2 tabs, now you'll be able to lift it up completely, and that gives you access to the filter. Those are 2 slots over there. Now just grab the filter, take it out. The top side is the clean side, the bottom side is the dirty side. All the dirt is trapped over there. So the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped there, and then clean air from the top goes in the engine. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And the new filter should be the exact same dimension as the old one that you took out of the car. Now before you put it in, if this air box is very dirty, like full of leaves, it's a good idea to just vacuum it. Now let's just go ahead, put the new filter in, and if you're having trouble putting it in, like this, see, it's sticking out, it's not falling in place, turn it around, and then you will be able to just drop it in, and it sits right there. Now let's focus on getting these 2 tabs in the back in place. You need to make sure that both of them are in place. You need to slide into the slots there, 1 and 2. That looks good. Only at this point will you be able to put those clips on, otherwise the cover will not sit on properly and the clips will not go on. Just grab the clip and then push it on, 1, 2, and the third one in the back there, and it's on. And that's pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood, and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.